Welcome to Ethereum Cathedral Meeting 93. I have shared agenda in chat, and let's start with the very first item, that is Ethereum Network Upgrade. So as we all know, merge is almost here. We are expecting TTD in about 1 day and 14 hours. It is exciting to see like the mainstream awareness is being supported by team from Google and others. Google have created a doodle countdown for the merge upgrade. Last week, Bellatrix went well, like Bellatrix upgrade was good. Mainnet Shadow Fork 13 also was good. One issue with Aragon node was reported, but it was a mistake. So basically there was no client issue reported. MSF 13 was the last shadow fork. As many of us know that developers decided to continue doing shadow fork till we reach merge, and we are almost here. So we have this collection of all these shadow fork and other test nets and dev nets that were for the merge updated on Ethereum Cat Herders website, the merge page. One other announcement related to mainnet merge is Ethereum Cat Herders, in association with ETH stakers, Bankless, the Daily Guy, Ethereum client developers, and other community members have planned a live stream from the Ethereum Foundation YouTube. Check out the link in agenda for the merge viewing party. An important announcement related to developers and people who were using testnets that were launched during the merge upgrade. Kiln is likely to be shut down. It started early this year, and it will be shut down during the week of September 12th, that is this week. Robston and Rinkeby are also planned to be deprecated. Robston will be in Q4 2022 and Rinkeby in Q3 2023. I took this information from Ethereum blog post, but I'm wondering why Rinkeby there.
Well, why Rinkeby is being deprecated?
Like, why is it being kept for so long, like 2023? It should be, shouldn't it be Sepolia?
So people should be migrating to Sepolia. The meantime being that it has high traction with application devs, I'm assuming they don't want to sunset it so fast.
Yeah, right.
I mean, as a general PSA to any developers listening, yeah, like start using Sepolia.
Yeah, generally people are encouraged to move to Gorley or Sepolia, which will be maintained and upgraded for the, of course, foreseeable future for a long time. Well, check out the link on the Kiln shutdown blog post shared by Foundation. Thank you for updates here, William Schaub. I was getting confused, like why Rinkeby for so long. Anyway, we are trying to have all this information added on Ethereum Cat Herders merge page. Check out the website. Any question, comments so far? Moving on, I have listed a few events and hackathons those are going on. There will be a lot of around DevCon in many cities of South America. People may check out a few that I have listed here. One of the topmost is the Ethereum Protocol Fellowship. They're having the third cohort of kind of internship program for inviting client developers. The applications are accepted through September 16, and the program will start from October 2022. Check out the link for more information. If you are an aspiring developer, would like to contribute to Ethereum blockchain, you may want to get a proper internship over here. A few other are ETH Online that started from the 1st of September. It is planned to be there till September 30th. Next is MCon, which will be starting from 15th to 17th. And there is this mainnet in New York. It's a big event for Ethereum community as well as the blockchain community in general. I'm hoping to be talking in mainnet on Ethereum governance and the process improvement that cat herders are supporting. Of course, DevCon is there in the month of October. The date mentioned here is 11 to 14. There is ETH India, which is in association with ETH Global. That will start from December 2nd to 4th. So that's about events. Moving on, ECH updates. Last week, I shared the stats for Discord where we were about 1,000 users. Now we have 100 more added to the 1,000. So that is good. On YouTube, we are having over 2,700 subscribers. But this is like relatively low in comparison to the content those are being viewed on our channel. Looks like many users view, but they do not subscribe. However, we highly encourage people to subscribe to Ethereum Cat Herders YouTube channel because not only we have all these meetings, but we also have updates from research team as well going on. So please subscribe the channel. On ECH website, as I mentioned earlier, we have been working with someone to update the page regularly. I'm expecting a PR by today to have more updates on the merge page, and we will try to have a separate page for Shanghai so we can keep track of Shanghai and people may find all the information related to the proposals and what's going on in the discussion on Ethereum Cat Herders website. Next one is ECH Engineering, EIP bot and EIPV. I see Jose on the call, and I also saw some comments on issues and pull requests. Do you have any updates maybe to share with us today?
Yes, thank you. Well, as was agreed in the last EIP call, I will be looking into the issue 34, 63, and 95. I already began working the issue 34, which is the all this one. Would be nice to close it. I mean, it's going to be about a year, and well, yes, I start working on them. I must be testing, depending what I find in the test, I will recommending to close the issue or pulling a pull request and to be merged. Let's see how the test goes. But yeah, I already began to work on it. Thank you.
That is awesome. Thank you so much. Next one is Learn to Earn. So we have made the soft launch of the app Learn to Earn. It is, I'm going to share the link here in the chat. So this app at present has 2 courses, one for MEV. Okay, I think it is only for MEV and Flashbot. So that is just a trial course. POAP is also set up. Anyone listening to this call or may have visited this application, we are requesting feedback to let us know about the user experience or anything that you would like us to be modifying. We hope to release the app for general public with more course added to it very soon. Today, we are going to have the meeting at 5 p.m. Eastern time. We could not have it yesterday, so it is moved for today. Anyone interested with the feedback or just to discuss, you can join the meeting or else leave your comment async on Learn to Earn channel at Ethereum Cat Herders Discord. On ECH operations, the first one is GitHub backup and YouTube backup. So it's a good news that Ethereum cat herders also has an account on LensTube now. And I'm happy to share we have already reached 261 subscription on eatcatherders.lens, which is our LensTube account. There are 14 episodes uploaded so far. And for links to Arweave and LensTube for the individual episodes, we have added that in the HackMD, which you can find in the agenda to today's meeting. On ECH podcast this week, we released a talk with Gachinder Singh on Ethereum JavaScript. It is a client on execution layer, which isn't participating in merge as such, but has been supporting it, participated in all the test nets for the merge, and we are hoping to have it as actively working for the execution layer after the merge. So check out the talk. Okay. On GitPub, we are working with each staker for ACD meeting and the merge meeting GitPub. On EIP's Insight, so far in September, we have got one EIP, that is EIP 3525 semi-fungible token as in final status. There are 11 new EIPs as draft. 3 have been moved to review status. And I believe 14 proposals which are waiting in pull request to be merged as draft. Check out the link in the agenda for the entire list of EIPs for the month of September. Any question, comment so far? I know it looks like more of update side, so please feel free to stop me if you have any questions or anything anyone would like to add.
I have a question. Is the application for work, I need to connect to the wallet?
Yeah, that is my concern as well. You're talking about learn to earn, right?
Yeah, exactly. Because I tried to open right away and asking for the. I don't have any problem, of course, connecting the wallet, but I just like to know. I mean, how's the way to get in?
Right. That's a very good feedback. Yeah. I think initially we considered that there should be a guest login that may allow user to just connect it without, maybe able to use the app without connecting to the wallet. That's a good point that we would like to bring it up in the meeting today. Thank you for sharing.
No problem.
Yeah. All right. Moving on, next is PEEP and EEP. Last week, as I mentioned, we shared about Ethereum JS. In the upcoming meetings, we have scheduled a meeting with Solius on Grandine, which is a consensus layer client. So we will learn about this new client, which is also available for node operators on consensus layer. Stay tuned to have more information on upcoming talks on EIPs. The next one is notes section. We have received notes for all core dev meeting 146, consensus meeting 95. However, I do not see for EIP IP meeting 64. I would like to check with the resource. I see Santosh on the call. May I request you to maybe look into the README section? It looks like most of the links are going to 404. I don't know, maybe somewhere it is broken.
Okay, EIP IP, right? You're referring to?
No, for all core dev and consensus meeting, both.
Okay, I'll take a look at it.
Yeah. Thank you. We also had merge community call 7 last Friday. I am expecting notes today. It should be up by today, EOD, I hope so. Last week, we started EIP editing office hour. The first office hour recording is added in the agenda. You can find it on Ethereum Cat Herders YouTube. So this meeting is specially inviting all EIP authors to discuss their proposal if they are feeling stranded, that where to go and how to find answers to my question. You are invited to join this meeting. We will try to answer all your questions and address any concern with any specific pull request if you have. So yeah, please share information about this EIP editing office hours so we can address more questions from author and help them on board as a EIP author, Ethereum standards author. We also had KGZ ceremony breakout call 7. A recording is now available on Cat Herders YouTube. So that's all on meeting side. Last one for today is a review of outstanding action items. I am just trying to open the meeting notes here. Okay, so it looks like we do not have any major action items. I was supposed to share stats of social account. I'm hoping to share every meeting, and maybe it will help more users who are visiting but not subscribing or not following us may start following us. And yeah, so we are working for Git POAP. There is a spelling error. We will fix it. We are working with Git POAP team. And yes, there is a mention of timely submission of notes. That's very important. Even for this fortnight, we see that one notes is missing. I may have to check with the user, but I'm requesting all contributors, if you are accepting the notes, if you are giving confirmation, please try to submit your notes within 5 days. 3 days is generally recommended, but at the most within 5 days, please do submit your notes to make it available for community to follow along. And I guess that is it as listed on agenda item today. If anyone would like to bring anything.
Yeah, I would like to make a comment, a brief comment about the EIP Editors Hour. I would like to encourage that anyone that has the idea to get into the editing process or to write an EIP or a proposal, whatever, should really attend that meetings. I mean, it's a gift, and I really would like to thank you, Puya, for that initiative. I guess that, I don't know if it was you, but I guess that that was yours. Anyway, because that's really interesting. I really enjoyed the last one, and I will be there as a listener because for the learning process of, for the ecosystem, they are really a gem. Thank you.
Well, that's so sweet. Thank you, Jose, for the comment. Yes, we thought that we have spent a decent amount of time in preparing editors and reviewers. Now we can extend our support to authors so they be able to document what they are experiencing, and they think that it should be added as an Ethereum standard. So this is especially for them. And I'm aware that a couple of people are also working in preparing documents to maybe help these new authors. Anat from Fellowship of Ethereum Magician mentioned about a do's and don'ts list. I do have a draft copy of it, but I'm hoping to have a final version released very soon. So yeah, people, you may check out Ethereum Cat Herders Discord, and especially the EIP editors channel for any discussion related to EIP editing, EIP author, or EIP process in general. And yeah, that's all. Anyone else has anything for today or maybe for future meeting that they would like us to include?
Gitcoin grant. If
Yeah.
anybody is participating in Gitcoin, we have a grant.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, William, for reminding that. And thank you for sharing all those beautiful tweets. It was a great reminder for community as well as for me to update the page. So people, if you like our work, if you would like to support us, please support us through Gitcoin grant, and we are live. All right, looks like this is going to be a little low week because everybody is super busy with merge upgrade, preparation for merge. A lot of merge viewing parties are there. I recently saw a list of merge parties in different cities. That was amazing. Like people are celebrating all over the world. So wherever you are, be a part of Ethereum community and enjoy this merge party. That being said, I hope to see everyone in 2 weeks and on Cathar's Discord for regular communication. Have a good one, everyone.
Bye.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Pooja.